will happen. Nothing is going to achieve in your life. First, you should have a self-believeness. To make the self-believeness, I'm just walk through the few of the slides what we do. Okay, this is something we, as in 2000, we signated means here for last 2.5 3 years now, but we not had a great success in the initial days because we are also a baby or a learners in the industry. We don't know how to design the courses, how to mold the train people, how to train the people, how to connect the people with an industry experts, and how to get you into the companies. We are learned. Now we are excelled. Earlier 3 years back, we asked me, I was not in the same confident level I'm talking now because I am also learning. I have an industry experience working in the industry more than 15 to 18 years now. I'm working in this industry from last 18 years. I'm working. I know the industry for like your childhood. Like I started working in 2001. Back in 20 years back now, I started working with a TCS. I work in a TCS for 12 years. Then I working in the company British Telecom in last 8 years now. This is my journey. But when it comes to an academic, when I come to a training, I have only 3 years experience. I'm training. We are also struggle in the initial days. I'm not sure what to teach, how much to teach, and how to connect you with the different hiring partners and the companies, because training can anyone train, but how to train, how much to train, what needs for you to get into a job market is very very important. We to understand first, then only I can come to you and say, okay, you learn this much and we write a project, do a project like this, write a resume like this, you are able to get a job. That we now excelled in last 1 year. That's the reason I was counting yesterday how many placement we did in the last 4 to 5 months. We had done 40 placements. That is, I say 40 placement. You can imagine getting in one job in one of the life is very important. Like it's very important. Like that is a big achievement itself. If you get a job in IT career, for you it is a big achievement itself. Correct or not? Like that, we made one after one, 40 rollouts, 40 offer letters, or 40 people. I am able to get that in the last 4 months. One other, I'm very proud, I make them taxpayers. So I am very very, if Modi heard my things, he may be very happy, because I generated 40 taxpayers of Indian nations. Because companies also grow when you generate the tax for the government. I'm very proudly says today, I made 40 people started working and they're paying their taxes to the government of India. That is what I am counting. How many make people I make taxpayers to the India? That is a great achievement, I call myself. So I'm saying that's the reason we did not had a great success in the initial days, but last 1 year especially, we had a tremendous success. At the point, we have close by 200 students in our institute. That's a great milestone we achieved, and including you, I'm saying we go close to 200 plus students we are going to have. And that's what I'm saying. We done now. I mastered the subjects. We know what needs to be taught, and we excel. We are also maturing or getting experience day by day. So in that sense, you are in the safe hands now. You're not. I'm not something experimenting on you. We already experimented many things. We learned our mistakes. We are right in the right path. So this is my profile. As I said, I started working in 2001, close by 20 years now. I did not had a job after the graduation because WTC, you heard about this, World Trade Center has collapsed. That recession, global recession has started. I have been hired in the three campus equipments. Unfortunately, no one has offered a job. I left out. That's the reason I know Bangalore, because I had a resume. I walking through all the streets of the Bangalore. By the time I learned how Bangalore is, like where is the Bangalore, how big it is, Electronic City, Whitefields, JP Nagar, Electronics, what is that, ITPL. So then Bannerghatta. These are the where the hubs of the IT companies are residing. Personally, me and my friends, around 4 or 5 people together, were living. Walked on entire Bangalore, spreading the resume, giving the resume, but did not work. 2 years did not work anything. Be on mute, please. Who is that? Lokesh, be on mute. I'll ask you the question, and then you can unmute and speak. Okay. So the question being asked after 2 years to me, someone like me asked me the question, why should someone should hire you? You are asking all of you 18 people, 16 people in the class now. You all need a job. But my question is asking you now, why someone should hire you? Yes. So someone, why should hire you? What is the reason they should give a job to you?
Because of the skill.
Skill. What skills you have from the? I have a 20 people in front of me. I have only 2 jobs. Okay. You tell me, why should I hire you? not others. Only I should give a job to you, not for others. So the guy, he has the right skills. The guy is able to do a day-to-day work. The guy is able to deliver the meeting the expectation. We offer the job. That is what I realized after 2 years. 2001 to 2013, I did not had any job. I was roaming around the Bangalore. Having thing is such a financial crisis we had from ourselves. You remember our resume used to have a 2 pages. One of my friend, he's also is in Japan now. He told me one idea. Hey, even though you print whatever you prepare a 10-page resume or 20-page resume, if they wanted to call you for the interview, they will call you just seeing your phone number and your email. Why you are wasting 2-page resume? Make it 1-page resume so that we save 1 rupee, because Xerox takes 2 rupees for each resume. So we made it 1-page resume to save 1 rupee. That is was our condition. My condition was that time. Not only all people, you come from the very poor family, we need to support ourselves. So 2 years later, I realized what I have done 2 years, my time is waste, because everybody, when I given a resume, looking at my resume, they're asking the question themselves, why should I call this guy for interview? What is the special quality I have? Same resume, thousands of resumes sitting on their desk, thousands of emails, resumes are in there in email. Why should I get and hired? Why should I call for an interview? No reason, because I'm just a graduation, like all 1,000 people, one among the graduation. The same thing someone told me, guy, you are wasting your time until unless you build the right skills, until unless you build a right knowledge, you are not going to called by anyone. First, you should have your knowledge should be your wisdom. Knowledge, you build a knowledge. Once you have a knowledge, automatically opportunities will come. In the market, people are looking for the bright students, bright aspirations, because they wanted to have a right talent in their pool so that they can meet the customer expectation. It's not like they don't want to give a job. They're also having a tremendous pressure to meet the customer experience, customer expectations. You're also going to work for the different customers like Johnson and Johnson, GE, and British Telecom, Verizon, AT&T. They are the global clients. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. These are the corporate houses, global corporate houses, offering a lot of IT jobs. Consultancy companies like Capgemini, CTS, TCS, Accenture, IBM, these are the consulting companies. They hire you, they're deployed into customer places. Here, customers here, when you hired for the TCS or anything, there are always things we are able to meet the customer expectations or not. Do you have a right skills or not? That's the reason they do not offer until unless they confirm you have a right skills. Otherwise, it's a waste of their time and money. So the question you need to ask today yourself is why I should be, what should I learn so that my resume is differentiated from others? I am differentiated from other 1,000 people. That's what I'm trying to build a. So you can, I'll share this PPT. I think I shared. You can also go and check out what do we talk about. Our Urban Pro is a platform where you get lot of students, and our Google review and my Telegram. We have 1,000+ job seeker is continuously following us. At the right time, we have 1,700 people following us. In the 30 people, active recruiters are there. 30 people's from industry, 30 job hiring employees. I think the recruiters means they are one hiring, like collecting the people resumes and sending it to the corporates. We have 30+ active recruiters in our Telegram, and you can also check our previous Google reviews what we are talking. So we are trying to teach you something called the big data. Okay, why we should learn the big data is I'm trying to explain. Everywhere is the data. Without the data, nothing is happening in the world, correct? We go to, now also we're generating a lot of data. The recording is going on, the data is getting generated. When you go to coffee, you have a coffee, data is getting generated. Go to petrol bank, take the petrol, data is getting generated. You call your friend, you make a call, data is getting generated. To whom you call, how much time you talk. Okay, you send an SMS, watch a video, post a video, like, unlike, dislike, all getting generated. But all this data has some value within it. The companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, okay, Reliance, they wanted to know your likes and dislikes so that they can offer you different product. Example, you go to Amazon, you do a lot of research. I wanted to buy badminton racket. I wanted to start my game because lockdown is opened. I want to go back to my play. I want to start playing the badminton. I started searching for badminton 10 different places. Then Amazon will sense you that this guy is looking some product. I need to show him his recommendations, where it is coming from, how it is making recommendations, because of the data they're gathering from the customer behavior, likes or dislikes, they started producing the different recommendations. The big data is all about processing the huge amount of data and making a value out of it. So this is why, because unless you, do you think the world is going to end without the data? No, it is just a digital erase just started 5 years back. The massive amount of data is generating. 1 minute, please. In the digital era, massive amount of data is generating daily. Massive means very massive, because you can see, did you using the Facebook earlier 5 years back? Yes, you are using. The amount of data is generating. Also in a Facebook, you also people do some of the product search, and you started looking for a course, IT course, Java course, or a big data course. They also sense you that this guy is looking something. So amount of people are there in a Facebook, billions of people are there. Imagine each user daily looking for one thing. How many data is producing? Billions of users, or billions means crores of people are there in a Facebook platform. So much data is coming. You need a tool, we need a platform to process all that data, so that we can find something value out of it. There is a value for every data. That's why this data has been ignored in several years now. People are not behind the data. Now everything's oil. Next future generation, oil is the data. If company has the right data, right capability to get the data out of it, value out of it, the company making a more profit. Example, Amazon left one product in a company. It is a bad product. Some reason people started giving negative reviews and people not buying. Then Amazon want to know what is happening. You need not to go and ask people, 1,000 people calling, 1,000 people asking, guys, why you are not buying my purchase? What they do, they do big data analysis. They generate the data and they start processing and seeing it, why people are not liking our product. They'll think it. Example, now anyone you think going to buy a chappals or a shoes? This is the time in the corona, we are in the lockdown for 1 year. You remember last time when did you buy your chappals or a shoes? Hello, I'm audible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you remember when did you buy your last shoes or chappals? Long back. Is it a way now promoting chappals or shoes in the market? I personally have so many watches. I never wore a watch for last 18 months because there is no situation to wear. This is a trend. Big companies will understand from the customer behavior what they are looking. Probably you are buying a lot of home playing articles like carom boards, chess, because people are locked on reading the books. This is a product they want to sell. How companies knowing what is going down is everything is data, data, data. This big data is, I'm telling you, this is just the beginning of the era. That's the reason I doesn't want to teach you the subject something called Java, something called something else, ABC, because those are the subject are being in the market for a while, and so those are the subject, maybe they lost several years and they're continuous to be there. But this is a subject, it's just a kicking start. Very bright futures you have, because this is just a beginning of the middle of the digital era. As long as the digital era is exists, like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, Gmails, this technology is everlasting. That's the reason I wanted to learn the technology that is highly demand in the market. I doesn't want to teach you the technology, it is vanishing. Okay, if at all you are not, if you go to institute where they're teaching you ABC, JSPIDER, QSPIDER, JSPIDER is Java, because that is only the subject they master for last 20 years. They impose on you learn Java. I'm not saying learning Java is not a good thing, but when you learn a Java, you need to learn some of the advanced components like Spring, Cloud, and also the MongoDB, SQL, and especially REST APIs and all that concept you need to learn. But here I'm making you a bit different from others, teaching the very niche and very high demand technologies in the market. That's why I called the big data engineer. That is a big market. You can imagine every company, you name the company, they are behind the big data, because they wanted to understand themselves better, how they're positioned with the competitors, how customer thinking about the products, how the customer reacting to the products, how which product I should offer. I'm telling you, this is very big market. Every company is going to behind the big data. So what you are going to learn? Sir, why you are seeing teaching me so many things? I'm already burned enough learning. Guys, again, I'm telling you, I can get you a job teaching only Python. But when we prepare a resume, go to the market only with a Python, there is a thousands of people. Do you think you are only person learning with me? Myself having only small, we are small players in the market. We are just opened 2 years back. Myself already trained 300 plus students. In this year, already have 200 enrolled students are going in a different batch. I think most of you joined batch 7. You have a batch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you think have a why being a, you never heard my name is in the industry? You never heard about Ignited Minds. Being so such a small players, we have a 200 students. Imagine the big players. They have big offices and all. Edureka, Great Learning, Lake Learning. Okay, they are also producing thousands of people every month. Will you able to compete with them? Again, I don't want to put you in a competition world where there is a lot of competition. I'm trying to build all the skills, tools, and techniques that you stand unique. So I'm there to teach you. We are, as Ignited Minds, fully committed to give all the knowledge, all the tools required. You stand out different from others. That is where we feel different from others. If you go to other institutes or any online portal, they teach you one among them. That's it. And the money they take is equivalent what we charge for entire course. Anyone can tell me, just go and find out how it is the cost for learning AWS. We are teaching Amazon Web Services on one part of our curriculum. We are using Amazon Web Service 15 hours we are going to teach. You just go it and found out in the market how much it is going to cost you. They're not charging less than 10,000. Really, we also separately charge Amazon Web Services solution architect course 8,000 rupees we are charging. When come to an Hive, it is not less than 8,000. Come to SQL, I myself teach many people 6,000 rupees. Come to a Python, I have charged 15,000 offline classes, online classes 8,000 rupees. Come to a Spark, this is alone itself is costing 22 to 25,000 in the market. But I am not asking you money right now. I'm making you all those things clubbed together. We are asking only 15,000 for about your 2 months training. That is totally 75 hours. In fact, you are paying only 3,000 the subject you are learning each one. That's it. Only 3,000 each subject you are going to learn. That's it you are paying. Only thing is why you are teaching so much is, sir, you are putting a burden on me. Never the case. You should have in the right path of learning. Learn for your lifetime. That's what I am saying. Learn for your lifetime. These technologies are not going anywhere. Next 10 to 15 years, these are the solid things you should be learning. That's what I'm putting a solid foundation. That is learn for your lifetime. This is the time you need to invest for your future. Just do it for discipline for 2 months. I'm not taking too much time. 2.5 months, 60 to 75 days is a maximum. I'm going to cover the each subject in the deep of it. Why I'm teaching so many things is I want to make it different from others. Same competition I don't want to create. You have a Java profile, sorry, Python profile. Looking at your resume, they should see, no, this guy also know cloud. This guy also know database. That's the right candidate for me. I should call him for interview. That is only the reason. Since if you are want me to train, personally, I have 13 programming language. I can train you any of this, but don't ask me job. If you ask me a job, you have to give me a choice where I need to fit you in the right in the market. That is my choice because I know this industry from last 20 years. I've been this industry. I learned in and out. Probably you guys still opening your eyes, but my eyes am getting closed. That means I'm not dying. I'm saying enough I've seen in my word in this word. This where I'm trying to put you in the right track, right content in the place so that your career will be bright. See, thing is, we promise a job for everyone who is coming to us. In fact, from the batch 3, mostly 1, 2, 3, 100% placement. 45 students, 100% placement. Yesterday, we had a 7th interview from the batch and 4, 18 people among them, 10 people got mostly selected. They're not with me not more than 2 months. Hardly they spent 40 to 35, 30 to 40 days. Some people started getting in offers. That's what I'm saying. Just be disciplined for 2.5 months. The life is yours. You have to invest a time for your future. I don't have a time to you need not to invest a time for others. You need to invest time for your own career, your own growth. So that's why combinedly we have a file niche skills. And again, guys, once you kickstart your journey, there is no end. Means no stop. Every day you have a class. Every day you have a class. Till next 60 days, every day is your learning. Then only you come to me. You think, sir, I need a break after 2 weeks. I need a break of 1 week. After that, I'll come. This is not a place. So thing is not about the training, it's a lifetime opportunity. We are offering an 100% job for everyone is coming to us. That's where we are different from others. I think you can understand amount of efforts I have to pass through. Again, I'm telling you, getting one job for you is your lifetime achievement. Like that, I will already have 45 students and 100 plus students still are waiting. So that is where we have a tremendous pleasure getting, make sure that you are getting succeed in your life. You should have a discipline. You have no reason to escape from your discipline. Then only come to me. Otherwise, you are free to leave right now. I don't force anyone. You're not interested. You are coming with some force of our marketing guys or from some people has asked you to please join, please join. No need to join. You need a better career, you need your better life, you come and join. I am not going to force anyone because this is not a place to force, because it is self-committed. We are all knows what is my duty. My duty is come, teach you, make sure that you learn the good subject, get a right project, get a right opportunity in front of you. Opportunity means interest for you. After that, it's all depends on you, how you perform, you are getting your interview. Of course, we help you with the interview process also. Later job, can you think I can able to work all of your job daily? Is it humanly possible? Impossible. Yes, everyone has their own problem in their projects. I cannot solve it. The thing is, this is a time. This is a time you need to learn so that your life will be easier, life will be better. I don't want to go too much. This is a big data, is a big opportunity. I never personally seen such a tremendous opportunity in the market, and pay is also very, very high. Having these 5 skills in your resume, you can demand 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs on the day one. See, guys, again, I'm telling you, as a history of Ignited Minds, we do not have any offer less than 4.5. Not a single one offer we have for 2020, but other than that, not a single offer is not less than 4.5 lakhs. Everyone, 25, 45 people you placed, everyone is more than 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. Only one lady, Netra, she is, that is what, only 4 lakhs. Other than that, no students having a offer letter less than 45 lakhs. So I have placed all the offer letters for information. You can call any of them. This is what the offer letters we got in the different companies. So we have proved ourselves what we are training is the best in the market, because you are getting a job for most of the people. So some people are getting a jobs, some people are not getting a jobs. You tell me what is the reason some people are not getting a job? Hmm. Hello. Okay, sure.
Maybe because of the lack of the skill, or maybe because of the lack of communication.
Okay. One thing is maybe their lack of communication. Other thing is lack of commitment. Commitment means learning. See, same subject I am teaching for everyone. It's not we are going to differentiate from each one. After the class, what they do is a matters. Got it? After the class, they are watching my video. They are watching a TV is a matters. They are watching a TV. They are in the different side. Watching our video practicing on the different side. So you guys decide what you
Yes.
need to watch. Either you want to watch a serial Radha Krishna, Mahabharata, Ramayana, or we need to watch our Ramayana listening to my classes daily. You decide. Then you have a then you have a right thing in your life. Okay. So I don't want to discourage there. You need to have some commitment. That's what I'm saying. So any questions, anything about what we are going to train? Let me show the slide one more thing. We are going to learn all of you first Python. Python is one of the most powerful programming language and mostly widely used programming language. There is no field left out without using a Python. Python used for automation, data science, data analysis, and big data processing. Okay. Python for embedded system, Python for many hundred different industries we have. Now we are using Python here. Core Python we call, mainly intention for big data processing. There is a Python to learn so many things, but we teach the Python that is much required for your big data processing. So next is SQL, because SQL we call, that is how you manipulate the data, extract the data from sitting in the databases. Database is a place where data is resting in a structured manner. We are going to extract. Okay, and cloud, because what is the meaning of the cloud is nowadays, cloud is nothing, but don't get confused. Anything means about the cloud. Cloud is infrastructure. It is all about managing the infrastructure. Example, a company wanted to host applications. They need a servers as machines. We have earlier you all CPU, now you have a laptop. Earlier you have a desktops. Desktop is a small machine, computing machine. Like that, companies have a big machines. There will sometimes machines or servers are of room size, big room size. If at all Amazon wanted to, or example, a company work for Verizon, wanted to have a servers in their own. What is the money required to host? They need to buy all the servers, cost so much, billions of money, put them in the secured places because data has to be protected, servers has to be protected, maintain the right power, maintain the right network, maintain the security, all the things they need to do. They need a lot of money, and you need a secure building. First of all, real estate is so costly, they need a secure building. That's the reason they come with a concept called cloud. So cloud is just you need an internet. You need to access a machine. It is in internet because Amazon is one of the leading cloud providers, and also with Microsoft. What they do, they have a huge infrastructure. Building of one area. You can imagine Jayanagar, imagine BTM layout, such a big area, or you imagine a small village of you. They have a place, they have a 10-story building of 10 buildings, 20 buildings of 10 stories, huge infrastructure they maintain. You access those infrastructure machines or servers over the internet. That's it. You need a machine, a laptop size of machine, example 8 GB RAM, 100 GB of hard disk, 2 CPUs. You just order online, you connect over the net. That's all about the, because it saves a lot of money. You physically don't own all the servers, machines, all in our company. Somewhere someone else is maintaining, you're just using it. Pay as you use. There's a concept called pay as you use, because most of the companies are going to cloud. So no one wanted to have it locally infrastructure. That's why we are teaching the cloud. Very important. If you learn this you learn Spark or not, but you learn these three technologies enough. Python, SQL, SQL. I'm going to cover this one in 1 month. Okay, within 1 or 5 weeks, 6 weeks of time you learn. That's where we start building your resume, start exploring your job opportunity. You need not to wait for Spark to come. But when you learn the Spark, that's what I'm asking. You need to know first thing what you're learning has a market or not. Simply you should not go. First thing what you need to do is today. Anyway, I'm going to send the slides. First thing what you need to do is find out the cost. What is his cost to outside? You need not to just believe what I'm saying today. You need to have your self-beliefness, self-research. First thing is you need to understand what money we are asking. Is it worth to give them or not? First thing you need to understand. Go search out these concepts, how much money it takes outside. Search for AWS, search for database SQL, search for core Python programming, search for Spark, how much it costs. Sum it up and find out what we are asking and what they are coming. You can easily make it. Just no need to do anything. Just go to Google. Google is the one place we can verify the data easily. Spark training in Bangalore. So just Google. Let's see how much they are asking. Okay. So just go to any call few institutes and ask how much they're asking. Let's find out what is the cost of page itself is not exist. Oh my god, what this guys? And check call if they have any number given. Call them and ask what is the cost of it. Okay, just check. Don't simply believe and what I'm telling is right or not. Just go and check out cost. One thing you need to verify the cost. Are you paying is very high or not? If it is very high, you come and tell me, sir, what you're asking is very. Next one is you have to believe yourself. What is the job market? What you are doing? Go to Naukri, Naukri.com. Okay, where most of the jobs are coming. What you need to search here? Okay, skip and continue. We need to go find out here Python, big data. Okay, location wherever, just search it. After searching, I'll also filter freshness. We call freshness is when these job openings are posted last 3 days. Okay, filter it and look at the jobs. And also salary experience you want to put low because you're all learning 2 years. Still, how many are there? How many are there in Bangalore? 300, Delhi 230. Total total will be thousands of jobs daily coming. Sir, they may be posting here Who knows, they are right having an opportunity, or simply they might be storing for advertisement, showing for advertisement purpose to overcome the right answer. I have my own profile, 2 years, 1 year experience in my son name called Samarth, and this is what we get daily. You believe me now? Look at the openings. They already started from morning 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Every day, personally, I received 25 to 30 openings. This is one mailbox we have only exclusively for big data. We have another one with an SQL with Python. Okay, this is another mailbox we have it. There also there is a daily. Look at here, SQL, Azure, they call AWS things. See, there is so many opportunities. Is some mailbox we are not able to even replay and read and replace here. Python, big data, SQL. So this is, I think you have to do this self-believeness fund. What you are learning is a demand or not. So definitely, otherwise, I do not take a challenge of offering a job, because very difficult in the market. Someone tells I get a job, because it's not easy for your lifetime achievement. That's what I'm saying. When you get a job, for you is a lifetime achievement. For me, getting such 100 jobs, you can imagine what is the pressure we will have. That's the reason I'm thinking I make your resume to talk about you. I'm thinking about these 5 technologies in your resume, so that you will have enough opportunities, you will have a bright career. That's only the reason we extend the classes, extend the training for about 2 to 2.5 months, to make sure that you are different from others. Otherwise, you putting in a group where you have a lot of competition. If you just teach very core Java, SQL, I'm making a blunder mistake in your life, because I'm putting in a pool of competition, lakhs of 70,000 ready-made resumes always be floating in the Bangalore market for Java. You don't think we are also not teaching the Java. We teach Java with a different fashion. We teaching the Java with the SQL Cloud and the Spring. That is where we are different from others. We are going to start the float the Java in next 15, 20 days, but we are not teaching ordinary Java. We are teaching the Java with the Spring Cloud, Amazon Web Services, along with an SQL. So I think you would need to do this research. What I showed you here. This is a proof, because I am getting a calls. This is what we are picking the resumes and sending for we are going to build a portal. All these job portals will be applied into a portal. From there you start applying. So when interview comes, how to talk, what is the project, explain, everything is my responsibility. I'm going to teach you. You need to do this after this today's session. 2 things. What is the things you should do yourself? What we should do?
Yeah, we need to search that what the courses features we are having.
Okay, fee you need to search out, because you should have, we should believe yourself what fees we are taking is worth or not. Second one is go and find out what you're learning is a demand in the market or not. One is Naukri, other is I have my mailbox. I already showed in front of you. So just Python. Called Spark is called PySpark. Okay. It's all same jobs. Look at the date every day 3434 in one mailbox. You're also getting 3434 every day. There is a lot of opportunities are there. Only thing is you should have a discipline. We along with you, we should also have a discipline. Team meeting your time targets. I need to ensure that time boundly we need to teach you, and we are going to learn in time bound. Clear? So I'm going to share. If you have any doubts about where is the students are placed, what they're doing. This is only we cannot update every day. We're getting a jobs. I cannot keep adding here. If you keep adding, it will be 50-page document. This is a sample of the first batch we got. We have anyway. I'm going to send that. You can talk to them. So anyone has any questions now before I move on? I'll take a time, 2 minutes. Let me ask the questions. Anyone has any doubts in your mind, just ask me.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, I have a small request.
Mm-hmm.
Will you please reschedule the timings of this course?
When to reschedule? My evening is not possible at all. Evening I am jam packed.
Okay, so if possible, right from morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Yeah, we can do that. But I have current 1 week you have planned that. Okay, only 1 week. Okay. I personally teaching another batch, same time around 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock for batch 5. Core Python I'm teaching. Okay, 1 week you adjust. Only this week you adjust. That
Okay, sir.
batch will be given to other trainer. He's going to taking tower from the next week, 8 to 9 o'clock. That's this batch I will handle from 8 to 9. I'll do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Even I wanted to do that because I also in office after 10 o'clock it is very busy because 8 to 9:30 I finish. No, then we can take a break half an hour, 1 hour. I'll start my office work. So we'll do that only 1 week. Please bear with me. After that we'll move to 8 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Other thing, anyone? Any questions? Anyone? No? Okay. Very simple thing. You need not to do any installation, anything as of now. So what we do, I think you shared my desktop. All of you just set up this today. Type all of you in your browser, Google Collaboratory, Google Colab. Okay, enter. You get a link called here, Google Colab. I hope you all of you see my screen. Okay, just click on this. Okay, it asks you for your Gmail. One of your Gmail you need to log in. Example, this is my Gmail. I'm going to log in. Okay, use a Gmail account. It is going to create. Then you have something here. Go file. Okay, new notebook. This is where you are going to learn your Python. You need not to do any installation, nothing in your laptop. You have an internet. That's it. You don't need to. You have all of your internet. You have internet and laptop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more thing is you must be having a laptop and internet daily because you need to practice daily. Otherwise, there is no use. It will come Ramayana and Mahabharata. I tell the story, you listen. Again, come on story, listen. You have to have proper internet and laptop to practice. So that's it. You need not to do anything. What you need to do, Google Colab, sign with Gmail, go to here, file, new notebook. That's it. The notebook will be created. This is where we call notebook. This is where the editor we call. We are going to learn your Python. Very simple screen. Okay. This is called Jupyter Notebook. So I will show it tomorrow, but what we can do is here, this is something called, we have a cell. This is called cells. This is where you are going to write your Python scripting. Okay. So whenever you want to save this file, example, batch 7, class 1. Okay, batch 7, class 1 you have. Okay, so where this goes and sits, okay, I'll show you that. Okay, this whenever you use, you go to your drive, Google Drive, you have as a drive. Yeah. So there the folder will be created. Here, so you look at here, there is a collab notes notebook. You just go and click it. You get all your files here. Okay, so I'm going to remove all remaining old files. Okay. Here, the file is coming and sitting here. See here, like that also for your okay, so files are sitting here. So I'm going to share this drive to you, get access to this. Okay, so I'll share with the notes everything daily, whatever I'm going to save here, so that you get that access. You can download and you can also practice. I'll also show that. Don't worry. What was sir CGP? No, nothing. Need not to worry. I have placed CGPA less than 4 also. Don't worry about that. Okay. So now I have it here. So you are wanted to write your first statement in Python. Okay. So first is you need to open a Google Collaboratory, sign up with a Gmail and create a file. So the file will be saved here. I shared the Google Drive access, just copy that with you. Okay. After that, very simple statement you need to just teach very simple things today. We'll learn from tomorrow. No worries. I wanted to print a message. What is a message in Python or in your real world text? What is the meaning of the text? Some information we call a text. Example, Python. Welcome to Python. This is a thing. This is what we call a text or information in Python. So text or information will be represented using the single quotes. Every data you need to represent. What is the meaning of a strings or characters? Group of characters, we call them as strings. Example, welcome to Python. Okay. So you put that data within your single quotes and you have something called a run button here. So I want to print it. Print this message. Welcome to Python. This is the first basic Python scripting you're going to learn. So there is a button you see here. This is called a run button. Run it. First time it will take a time. It is what the cloud concept is. See, I don't need any, just I need a laptop to. Did I install the Python in my local machine? I did not do. I'm connecting the cloud, Google Cloud, where the machine is hosted, and I'm able to write a Python script. See here, we're getting a welcome to Python. So how you are maintaining the strings? The strings are maintained within the single quotes. Example, I wanted to, sir, in the cell, can I write only one statement or multiple statements? You can write multiple statements within a single cell. Welcome to Python, and I say welcome to Python is busy. Each cell you can have multiple statements. This is called as statements. Python statements. So after running this, you want to run what you either use Control Enter together or use a run button. Both will execute the script that is written in your code cell. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any question here? Okay. So this is called, what is this one called? Is a string. The group of characters, we call them a string. Set of characters or a group of characters, we call them a string. String usually representing the single quotes. Clear or any question? So whenever I wanted to print, sir, I should always use a print statement. I have 4 statements to print. Example, I have something. We are learning, we are learning Python. Okay. These are 2 different statements, multiple statements where we are learning Python. We all belongs to batch 7. Something statements you have. Python is easy. So Python is easy. So I need 3 print statements, or do you have any other option? So whenever you have a multiple statements to print, one option is use multiple print statement, one after one, or each statement. This is called a statement. Yes, you know all of you statement. Statement is again string, a group of characters should be separated by comma. This also you can do. Okay, you have 3 statements. Each statement should be separated by comma. You can use one print statement to print such statements. What you learned here first, one cell, one statement, one cell, multiple statements. Here, one cell having multiple statements in a single print statement. Clear? Should be separated by comma. Okay. So this is also possible. Clear? Any question here? Looks simple, yes. That's why I'm saying Python. If you some people learn Java compared to Java, and here you to write this one, you need 3 days to learn. First, they teach you what is a class, so object. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. But here you are straight away jumping to print statement is very easy compared to Java. Got it? Okay. Should I learn more further? We have some operators in all you know operators. What are the operators we have?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operator.
These are the we have. So I'm going to write arithmetic operators, correct? So I'm going to write 2 plus 3 and I'm going to run this cell. See, something happens now. What will happen? Let's see. We started getting an error. Why? Why the error you are getting is, this is called, what is by default? There's, look at here, you guys keep the cursor here. You get 2 things. One is you get a code cell, other we get a text cell. By default, it is what your, be unmute. Someone is Gururaj. You unmute when you want to talk. After unmuting and talking, you have to go back to mute. It adds lot of noise. You don't hear. Others is very bad, you know. Okay. But here I have some information for you and some code I have written. This is a Python code. That's valid Python code. It works. I remove this. This very fantastically work. It produces output 5. But for your understanding, I need to write some information. But this information Python don't understand. Why? This is not a Python script. It is an English statement I have written here for your information. But I will remove it. You don't understand why I have written this example. If you keep it, Python will not understand what to do. That's the reason I keep this information here, and I'm going to tell Python, hey Python, this is not for you. It is for, do not try to execute this statement. Do not try to run this statement by putting hash at the beginning of the line. Such lines are called commented lines. Such lines are called commented lines. The moment I put a hash, Python is not going to execute. It will ignore. It's come to know that this is not for me. They have written, they commented out, means this line should not be executed by the. That's why we write a called comments. Any line called commented lines. These are all called commented lines. I'm going to comment the lines. That means Python is going to ignore these lines. Clear? Why I'm using commented? Otherwise, you're getting error, syntax error. That means you try to execute. This is also not uncommented line. This is also is not a valid Python statement. It is a simple information I've written for your information. But Python doesn't understand. It's try to run everything in your cell. What every line in your cell is trying to go to execute. I'm going to exclude it. Do not execute. Also, you can write a command control and backslash. Look at here. Keep the cursor wherever you want the line. Control and question mark or a backslash. The line is going to comment and comment itself. Okay. Clear about this? And one more thing, you see, I did not use a print statement. Still, the answer is coming. You noticed how it is coming? There is something called display. It is just displaying the value. So I have multiple statements expressed. We call equations or expression, correct? These are called equations or expression. So I have two equations in my cell. All these equations. What the output you are seeing?
Second one.
Last one you are seeing. Okay.
Yes.
Whenever you are not printing, when this is called a concept called a display, it will display only the last output. That's it. Okay. So you wanted to know all the things what you should use? Print. But you need not use print. Again, you just learn your concept like how the addition works, run and tested, working. Fine. Go and write out the next question. Next problem. Yes, it is printing the last. Yes, you wanted to learn the division, how it is working, printing the last. So that this is called concept called the display, displays only the last output. You wanted to, if you use a print statement, print is going to print all the print statements you are printing. Other way is you can give the separated by comma. This is also possible. You can give it. All this will be shown in one way. Don't worry about this brackets, why it is coming. I'll teach you in the later time. Okay, this is how multiple. Example, this is your addition, division, sorry, subtraction, division. You want to do multiplication operator, you can use it. There is something clear about this? Any question? What is comments? What are comments in Python?
Hash.
Comments are the lines ignored by Python. That's it. Okay. Any question here? Anyone? Puneet, Ashwin,
No, sir.
Ashwini. Okay. So I'll make more elegant way of this program. Let's see how what I do. Have this one is I use. You're not seeing what is the output produced by each operator is. It simply gives a numbers, but you're not really making out how these numbers are coming. I'll make it more interesting output. Print sum of addition. Sorry, result of addition. I say result of addition. As I said, each statement expression should be separated by what? Comma. 2 plus 3. Run it now. We're going to get a value 5. Result of addition. Just make it more interesting. So this is your one statement. That's what I showed. If you missed out a comma, it started, we will not understand these syntax error. Syntax error, the one, the command you given Python don't understand. Whenever you have multiple statements, multiple expressions, statement with expression should be separated by comma, and you run it, it will work. Same way, let's try to do it. Other things. Multiplication. This is, I say, subtraction, and this is something called division. Okay, result of, I just write it, division. Okay. See guys, this is very simple programming. That's what I'm saying. Subtract. Python is very, very, very simple program to learn. That's it. See here. Any question or anything? Only thing is you are finding here, I'm using a string statement along with an expression or equation should be separated by comma. Here I don't display, I'm not going to print. Again, each expression or equation should be separated by comma. Display is only displays the last value. On top of it, to write a print statement, your display values will not come. But you will not see the output of your display because it overwrites all your display values. That's the reason. So whenever you're quickly testing your learning, then just you don't use print. Again, typing print is a waste of time. Just learn like this and check out. So this is another way. Any question about this, whatever it is so far? Easy or finding difficult? This answer is very difficult. This silence is very difficult to understand.
It's going good, sir. No questions.
Sir, we are
Because what happened
understanding.
is, if you so quiet now, two cases. One is nothing understood, everything is understood. So when people don't react when nothing is understood, when don't also react when everything is understood. Okay, you all understood everything. There is something called power operator. Let's see. What is the meaning of the power exponent? Multiplying 2 by 2 in 2 to the power of 3. Multiply 2 by 3 times. We have double star. It's called power. Example 5 is multiplied by 3 times. What is it meaning? You can write a comments here also. Not only necessarily here, you can write it here. The information 5 multiplied by 5 times. This is a power we use. So when the moment Python see the hash, it's not going to execute. This will just ignore. Because this is how I'm telling Python, which is not for you. Don't run. It will start ignoring. You get an answer 5 to the power of 5. Okay. So there is one other operator called modulus. What is a modular? Modulus, it's going to find the remainder. What is the remainder? 5 divided by 3. It is going to be. See, again, you need not use run button here. You can use control, enter, you press. Control, enter, you press. It is going to execute the modulus program. Clear? Okay. We have double floor division. We have. What is the meaning of the quotient? Anyone tell me? What is the meaning of the quotient? What is the meaning of quotient? That's Barala. Quotient is 2 to 2. How many times the number is equally divided by this? Yes. How many times the 5 equally divided by 2? 2 times. 15, 7 times. 1 is a remainder, 7 is a quotient. So this is your quotient operator, or called floor divisor. Floor division. Okay, both are fine. So I'll stop here. What I do is, you need to see, guys, again telling you, for me it is a day in, day out. Every day I teach 4 batches. I do this work daily. For me, everything is very easy. I did not do any mistake because I have practiced for over many years now. So when you start practicing today, you start missing this comma. I try to execute, you get an error. Other thing is you start missing the comma, you get an error. So this is very important. You need to practice on the similar day, same day. Otherwise, you're not going to learn. Okay. If you think you do not have this time watching the video, practicing, you need not to come to me. frankly, I'm telling, it is not a place for you. You can join anywhere where you wanted to listen the story. See, this guy, I'm again repeating, if we want me to teach simply practice knowledge purpose, there is other way to teach. But what we are trying to do is job for everyone. That is the motto we follow. Every individuals who deserve job should get a job. That is the own theme of you are running the institute. So you have to do this discipline work today. What is the assignment I'm going to do is you need to write this way. Whatever I have written the operators, you need to write in the same format. Print result of quotient, result of reminder, result of power. You need to do, and you need to show me tomorrow how you are practicing. So this will be shared with you in the. This is where we have the notes. Okay, I shared the link with you. What to do after linking? What I'm going to put it in one of the batch. Well, hold on. Okay, did not got the copy. Copy link done, and click it here. Okay, when you click it, it will not open in mobile. You have to open in your browser. Okay, it will open here. Then what you do? You go and download. Okay, download option will be given. It will download to your laptop. Okay, it is downloaded. After downloading, what you need to do, you have to go to your Colab. I'm just closing it now. Okay, I'm going to open the new file. Upload a notebook. So I given the link. Using the link, you click it. You go to Google Colab. Sorry, Drive. From there, you download. Right click here. You get a download option. Now it is downloaded. File is here. Download it. Downloads. Your file is here. It will not open here. You need to open only in the collaboratory here. Then you go to here. Say here, open, upload a notebook. Hey. Prashant, I think you understand. Royal. What? I don't know what. I just removed. Be on mute. Who is that? Go to here, upload a notebook. Choose a file. Wherever you downloaded, I had downloaded here as downloads. Choose your file. That's it. It is open. So what is you need to do is, just run my program. That is good. Clear? Enough, huh? That's what you are going to do. Run this file like this. That's it. What you are going to do.
Retap once again.
This is for your reference. So you need to open a new notebook and you need to refer my notes and you need to type it again. If you are testing it, it will work because in front of you only we tested. Only thing is you need to practice from here. Got it? If you're doing that disciplinely for about a day too, otherwise it is not possible at all. Okay, I'll share. Anyway, recording will also be given to you in some time.